Now to an NBC 26 follow-up. The investigation into what caused a carbon monoxide leak in a downtown Manitowoc building, sending 17 people to the hospital, continues tonight. Meanwhile, one business remains closed, while others are waiting for answers. Closed signs in the windows of Susie K's Cafe Thursday evening. Upstairs, where on Monday several people were evacuated from their apartments after reporting nausea, rooms sit empty.
It's where people come to get political yard signs from us.
Next door, the Manitowoc County Republican Party headquarters is open after being closed Monday.
We've got an important task, and it gets busier as we get closer to the election.
Chair Don Zimmer says luckily no one was in the office Monday morning, but it didn't stop him from calling the fire chief Tuesday when he started feeling sick.
Nevertheless, they came over with measuring devices to see if there was any problem in this office, and they determined that there was not.
With the election just days away, Zimmer says his time in the space is, well, almost up, and that his concern lies more with the permanent residents.
And I have no idea what the nature of the problem is.
Manitowoc's fire chief says while it's likely a mechanical issue, the leak's origin is still speculation. It's unclear when people will return to their apartments. Carbon monoxide is an odorless, colorless gas that can be deadly. CO detectors are required in all private dwellings, hotels, and motels in Wisconsin.